welcome to Farmertorque. We're with the, well, we're out in the countryside with the Frogmary Green team who have a rather big forager. Yeah, that's 1200 horsepower of Big X. Well, hello Trish.
Hello.
And this, well, this cab is Frogmary Green Farm, but it might as well be. You've got the shirt on, haven't you?
Yeah, I got the shirt.
Yeah. And this is the Big X. Blimey. I'm used to big combines. He says, "Oh, we're nearly full, aren't we?" Let's have a look. Let's just twist that up there. Oh, nicely done. So, full trailer. Another full trailer. Cutting maize in are we in Somerset or are we?
We are, yeah.
Wiltshire?
Somerset.
Somerset. And this thing, I mean, I can't quite get my head around this thing, but 1200 horsepower near enough.
Yeah. Yeah. 1180.
Yeah. And how tight? How close is it chopping? How small are we chopping at the moment?
We're aiming for 5 mil.
Okay, and what are you getting?
We're probably getting about 6 mil.
Okay.
So it's as good as we want it, really.
And the Frogmary Green Farm is there's a digester plant.
Yes.
Yeah, right. That's it. So this is all for a digester. Hence why you want it finely chopped. what do you call it? The cracker.
Yeah, the processor.
No, in this, when this is the rollers and stuff in this, you call them
the cracker and the actual processor. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's called the processor.
It's called a processor.
Oh,
yeah.
this is,
yeah.
Right. Oh, okay. I thought
yeah.
Yeah. No, I'm with you. And do you get 5mm? I mean, it looks fine.
Through the amount of blades that we have on the chopping drum, we can actually chop to 5mm, 5 or 6mm.
Yeah.
But then it goes through the processor afterwards, which is squeezed at 4mm gap.
Okay. Yeah. And I've looked at your screens before, but that's running around. Well, it's more than 300, isn't it?
Yeah, 300 tons an hour.
300 tons an hour, which is semi-madness to me. You're used to it.
Yeah, at full chat it'll go up to nearly 400.
400?
Yeah.
Blimey. Do the hills slow it? Is it?
It doesn't. Mainly the crop more than anything.
Doesn't seem to.
No, you can go up or down. It's the crop that'll slow the machine.
Yeah. And we were just waiting for a trailer there, but I mean the speed that this fills a trailer. How many trailers? I can see the farm, but you've got. I mean, you've just asked for another trailer, haven't you?
Yeah, we can keep 4 trailers running this close to the farm. I mean, the chap on the buck rake would have a bit of a sweat on because the trailers haven't got very far to go. A couple of minutes they're back ready to tip.
Yeah. It's a huge logistical. Which way are we going? You're going round it.
Yeah, go round the outside.
There's the trailer. So you're just following that. Whoops, bring this back. So you drive. I thought this would all be GPS, and it could be.
It can be, yeah. You've got 3 different options.
3, yeah. But you say you're in manual mode.
Yeah. Currently driving by eye at the moment.
Driving by eye. And why do you do that? Why you just like doing it that way, or?
Just on the hills with the trailers moving, the trailers slowing up because it's such a weight to pull up the hills. I tend to be able to be in manual and I can react quicker so we don't spill any crop.
Yeah, you mentioned that before. The tractors struggle with pulling up hills sometimes.
Yeah, on steep hills, especially if you load the wrong part of the trailer first. If you load the back of the trailer first, not putting the weight on the tractor.
Yeah.
So try and ideally load the front of the trailer first, get the weight on the drive wheels.
My hat's in the way.
That's all right.
I mean, this is just, I'm going to pull the... Oh, we're full again.
Full again.
This time, there's another, sorry, great camera work here, not. And why is...
I don't know why he's going backwards.
This looks interesting.
Oh, he's backing away.
Oh. Whoa.
Probably won't pull away now, he'll probably spin out.
Oh. Right. Yeah. Because, I mean, how many tons has he got on behind him? I mean...
because it's chopped so fine, it's more of a dense crop in the trailer, so...
It's a lot, isn't it? I mean,
he'll have...
20 tons?
20, maybe just under
with
20.
With a trailer?
18 to 20.
That's
in the trailer.
That's a lot of weight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're just... I mean, in fairness, GPS, you have a road to follow.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not like drilling or...
No, that's it. I got a road to follow.
Yeah. And...
as long as the drilling's right, it works out okay.
So you're driving on the joystick there.
Yep.
And if I come this round there, come across and see that, and what are you watching on the screens? What takes your eye?
Well, what we got on the screens here is obviously the usual engine temperature, your fuel and AdBlue. Then down the bottom we've got dry matters, so the machine is sensing the dry matter as it comes into the machine and as it goes out.
So what have we got
down here?
28.
28.7.
And what are we hoping?
Around 30 is spot on for what we want, so we're not too far out on this.
When does it get a problem?
If we go down to something like 26, 25, 26, it's a bit too green.
Yeah.
And when we're above 33 or 34, it starts being a bit light and a bit brown.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And then tons an hour.
Tons an hour.
Yeah, 350 there.
Yeah. The next one is the spout height, so we can see for power lines, know whether to drop it down.
Blimey. I hadn't thought of that one.
Yeah, come across power lines, they're quite low sometimes.
Yeah, with the hanging.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, how close do you... Well, I can't believe how quick this is filling these trailers. I mean... Is that... Well, I'd have said that was full, but you're still going.
Yeah, squeeze a little bit more in. They're not going on the road.
No, true. True, yeah, they've just got to go down the farm. Oh, right, a full trailer. Well, this is... It just piles in at the front, doesn't it? Oh,
what was that?
where did that one come from? There's another one. Off we go again. Well, it's sort of... I still struggle a bit with 1200 horsepower. Yeah, you just sitting here and you sort of see it and you get, and those, I suppose you get used to those. Yeah, sorry, we're just turning and we just did it directing. You get used to those high numbers, don't you? I suppose.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, everything's relative, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. And the maize, that is the crop that takes the power.
Yeah. We're on the top of the world here. Well, it feels like it. What a view. And what else? You can go in, well, it is actually drizzling a bit at the moment, but rain, if it came on to rain properly, yeah, it would stop you.
Yeah, we would. We would probably stop. I mean, we'd go on for a little bit in
mud on the roads and things like that.
Yeah, mud on the road. Tractors making a mess in the field unnecessarily.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then being able to see what we can do. The plants will be lashing the windscreen with rain, and soon we just won't be able to see what we're doing.
Yeah. Well, it's fascinating. Thanks for having a chat.
No problem.
And so this is your last block, you were saying?
Yeah, this is the last block of the whole harvest.
Hopefully finish tomorrow?
Yeah, hopefully finish tomorrow, all being well. Sheet down the last silage pit. Yeah, and that'll be maize ticked off the list for this year.
Then maybe have a holiday. Well, maybe not have a holiday.
Oh no, we'll try and get some wheat back in the ground on top of the maize ground for now, and then have a holiday.
Oh well, thanks for letting us on this amazing bit of kit. And I'm just normally, I'm just the experience, the seeing how much stuff is piling into this thing is yeah, wow.
Nobody needs to know. Surrender to the grief. Nobody needs to know. Let go. We stir it up, create rings. We make something out of nothing. If you believe, hold on tight. lights up inside. You're part of the rainbow. It's your eyes. I let it all show. Pave the way for the ones behind. Be the sun, not a great cloud. Stand out. I said, be the sun, not a great cloud. Stand out.
Yep, I think that was full. Oh dear. Right. Tristan, thank you very much for having a chat. Great riding on this thing and in the middle of this, filming it and everything. Good luck. Hope you finish tomorrow.
No problem, thank you.
Cheers.